Do you want to become a software developer but don't know where to start? College, degree, expensive courses. Don't worry, in this video, I will show you a simple, practical roadmap to become a software developer, even if you are starting from zero. What does a software developer do? A software developer builds website, mobile apps, and system that people use every day. They write code, fix bugs, work with databases, and solve real world problems using logic. You don't need to be a genius, you just need consistency and the right directions. First, decide your path. The most beginner friendly option is web development. There are three roles: front end, back end, and full stack. Front end, what user sees, back end, server, databases, APIs, full stack, both front end and back end. If you are confused, start with full stack web development. What to learn first? Start with the basics: HTML for structures, CSS for design, JavaScript for logic. This is the most important. You need to learn JavaScript first as well. After JavaScript, learn Git and GitHub basic problem solving, how website actually works. Don't jump between languages, focus on one stack. Now talk about front end and back end skills. Front end and back end skills. For front end, learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React.js. And for backend, learn Node.js, Express.js, database like MongoDB or MySQL, authentication, and APIs. These skills are enough to build real applications. Projects are everything. Project matters more than certificates. Build real things like portfolio website, to-do app, expense tracker, blog or API project. Upload all projects on GitHub. This is your real resume. With daily 1 or 2 hours practice, 3 month basics, 6 months of job ready junior developer, 1 year of strong professional. Consistency beats talent always. If you want to become a software developer, start today, not tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment roadmap. I will share a free daily learning plan in the next video. Thank you.